My name is Ava Echternacht, and I'm going to be doing a monologue called Nature by Kristen Drabowski. I love flowers. They're so pretty. It's too bad we never get to see them that much in this city. Well, at least not fresh flowers like this. Not flowers that are actually in the ground. Only cut flowers that are probably old. A couple of years back, my mom had this boyfriend who used to bring her roses. They were really nice. But they didn't smell like anything. And they only lasted for like 2 days. The boyfriend lasted longer than the flowers, but not by a lot. Anyhow, this is amazing. All these fresh, beautiful flowers in every color in the rainbow. I just want to take this all in. You know, I think sorry. Well, anyway, I was just gonna say, I think that I could live here and be totally. I'm sorry to think that's not such a good idea. I should probably get out of here before I die. I can't wait to get back to the city.